Ever feel stuck in a rut at work? Like you're just going through the motions day in and day out without any real sense of fulfillment or progress? Like a cog in a giant machine, performing the same repetitive tasks, feeling like your contributions are unnoticed and unappreciated? Many of us crave purpose, autonomy, and the chance to make a real difference. We yearn for a work environment where our ideas are valued and our efforts lead to meaningful outcomes. But traditional workplace hierarchies can stifle creativity and limit our potential. The rigid structures and top down management often leave little room for innovation and personal growth. What if there was a better way? A system that encourages collaboration, empowers individuals, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement? In this essay, we'll explore Holacracy, a revolutionary management system that's transforming how organizations operate. Holacracy replaces traditional hierarchies with a more flexible, decentralized approach. We'll uncover how Holacracy empowers individuals, boosts agility, and unlocks hidden potential. By distributing authority and decision making, it allows teams to self organize and adapt quickly to changing circumstances. Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about work. Discover how embracing holacracy can lead to a more dynamic, engaging, and fulfilling work experience for everyone involved. Imagine a workplace without job titles, bosses, or rigid top down structures. A place where the traditional hierarchy is replaced by a more egalitarian and collaborative approach. That's the essence of holacracy. It's a revolutionary organizational system that aims to distribute authority and decision making across all levels of the company. It replaces traditional hierarchies with a more fluid and adaptable system based on circles and roles. These circles are essentially teams that are self organized and self managed. Instead of static job descriptions, individuals hold multiple roles within their team's circle. This means that employees are not confined to a single set of tasks, but can take on various responsibilities. These roles are dynamic and evolve based on the organization's needs. As the company grows and changes, so do the roles, allowing for continuous adaptation and improvement. This flexibility allows individuals to contribute their unique talents and passions, making the most of their skills and interests. Employees can shift roles as needed, ensuring that their work remains engaging and fulfilling, leading to higher engagement and job satisfaction. When people feel valued and empowered, they are more likely to be motivated and committed to their work. This not only benefits the employees but also enhances the overall productivity and success of the organization. Holacracy fosters a culture of trust, innovation, and continuous learning, making it an attractive model for modern workplaces. Each circle in Holacracy operates with a high degree of autonomy and self governance. They have the power to make decisions, allocate resources effectively, and adapt to changing circumstances quickly and efficiently. This distributed authority empowers teams to be more responsive and innovative in their approach. But how does this work in practice, you might wonder? Let's imagine a marketing team transitioning to holacracy for better efficiency. Instead of a traditional hierarchy, they might form a marketing circle with roles like content creator, social media strategist, and brand manager. Section 4, Holacracy in Action. Each role has clear accountabilities and specific domains of responsibility. Regular meetings provide a forum for discussing progress, resolving tensions, and adapting roles as needed for efficiency. This structure fosters open communication, transparency, and continuous improvement. For example, the content creator in our marketing circle might identify a need for improved video production quality. They could propose creating a new role within the circle or even forming a subcircle dedicated to video content creation. Section 5, the future of work. As we look ahead, it's clear that the landscape of work is undergoing a significant transformation. Traditional models are being re-evaluated, and new approaches are emerging to meet the demands of a rapidly changing world. Holacracy represents a paradigm shift in how we think about work. This innovative framework decentralizes authority, giving individuals and teams the power to make decisions and drive progress without the constraints of a traditional hierarchy. It's about moving beyond rigid structures and empowering individuals to contribute their best. By fostering a culture of trust and accountability, organizations can tap into the full potential of their workforce, encouraging creativity and initiative at every level. By embracing autonomy, adaptability, and purpose driven work, organizations can unlock a new level of agility and innovation. This means being open to new ideas, continuously learning, and being willing to pivot when necessary to stay ahead in a competitive market. Are you ready to explore a more fulfilling and impactful way of working? Imagine a workplace where your contributions are valued, your ideas are heard, and your growth is supported. This is the promise of the future of work. Research Holacracy and see if it's the right fit for you and your team. Delve into the principles and practices that can transform your organization, making it more resilient, innovative, and aligned with the needs of today's workforce. The future of work is here and it's filled with possibilities. Embrace the change and be part of a movement that is redefining how we work, collaborate, and succeed together.